The Miura was really a groundbreaking car when it came out in 1966, and looking at it today, it's pretty incredible to think that this is a 60-year-old design, both in the aesthetics, the engineering as well, and it really was a car that showed what was to come. Many agree that this is the world's first supercar, and a pure two-seater, fast, car that's above and beyond just a sports car. You have a 12-cylinder all-aluminum engine in the back, which creates a massive amount of power and strapped on your back, sort of like a rocket pack. Lamborghini's full commitment to the absolute best, highest performance engineering that they could build was there right from the beginning, and they certainly did it. Lamborghini, with a clean sheet of paper, they made something really for the future. This very car is one of the very last SVs. It is one of just 13 split-sump SVs. A dear friend of mine bought it when it was just over 1 year old. So he bought it in April 1973. He kept it all these years at his place in Texas. Today, we just drove it, just clocked over 18,212 miles. In the 80s, it was painted blue, but was silver from new with a gold sill and gold wheels. Otherwise, everything else is original. The interior has an amazing patina, all the body numbers. But Tony was very diligent, stamping every part of the body, front and rear hatch, the louvers, the door handles, the doors. Everything on it is stamped with its body number 790. The original engine was swapped in the first year with a sister car, which is sitting right next to us as well. They have just been swapped back, so now both cars are matching numbers, and indeed this car got its original engine back in it. Yeah, it's a bit of a time warp, and again, really difficult to find in these cars. What you're buying is really the very top of the line, the very top model Lamborghini made, and probably the best preserved example that, as long as I've known, has come to market and is still in such good original condition as the car here.